Now I am starting the 10th class syllabus. Here 10th class syllabus, the first chapter is real numbers. Now in real numbers chapter, the first topic is Euclid's division lemma. So what is the Euclid division lemma? See the statement of Euclid division lemma. If A and B be two given positive integers with A greater than B, then there exist unique integers Q and R such that A equal to BQ plus R. Here the R values 0 less than or equal to R less than B, means R values lies in between 0 and B including 0. So what is the Euclid division lemma? Means for any given two integers A and B, we have to search, we have to identify, or we have to calculate the two numbers Q and R. There are unique integers and the Q and R satisfies this condition, means by expressing A in terms of B, we have to find out Q and R, means A equal to BQ plus R. So where we use this Euclid division lemma, means in problem we use the word Euclid division algorithm, and this is a technique to find out the HCF of given two positive integers. Now this is the Euclid division lemma statement. Here I am asking one question. This is a new topic for us? No, this is not a new topic for us. We don't know the name Euclid division lemma, but we use this concept from 4th class. So yes, it is from 4th class. We call that as division algorithm. So what is division algorithm? Division algorithm known from the 4th class, we apply many times. Dividend, divisor, and your quotient, and at last we get here the remainder. So this is the division algorithm we are applying in Euclid division lemma. See, so dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder Here, see again A and B. A value, here we are taking A as dividend, B as divider, Q the quotient, and the remainder is R. See, A equal to BQ plus R. R values in between 0 and B including 0. So this is nothing but the division algorithm, but here we are giving the new name Euclid division lemma, and we are applying the Euclid division algorithm to solve the problems. See, I am explaining this lemma with an example. Use Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of 550 and 300, and it comes in exam for 1 mark question in exam point of view. See, always we start with the big number. The larger number is 550 and the smaller number is 300. To start, we start with larger number 550. We starting with a larger number 550. Now apply Euclid's algorithm. By taking dividend A equal to 550 and divisor B equal to 300. The divisor B equal to 300. Now we have to express 550 in terms of 300. You have to express 550 in terms of 300. Means, see, here we are applying the division method. Divide 550 with 300. 300 ones are 300. The remainder is 250. The remainder is 250. So write the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor 300 into quotient 1 plus the remainder 250. So this process we have to continue till to get the remainder 0. Here we are not getting the remainder 0. The remainder is 250. Means we have to continue this process. Now again the second step. See the right side, 300 and 250. The biggest number is 300. Again we have to apply the Euclid division algorithm by taking 300 as A, means dividend, and 250 as divisor. Again apply Euclid's algorithm. By taking A equal to 300 and B equal to 250. Means we have to express 300 in terms of 250. So divide 300 with 250. 250 1 250. The remainder is 50. So again dividend equal to divisor 250 into quotient 1 plus the remainder is 50. Again here the remainder is not equal to 0. We have to apply one more time. The Euclid division lemma. Apply Euclid's algorithm by taking the largest number between 250 and 500. The largest number is 250. So take A as 250 and B as 50. Now express 250 in terms of 50. Means see, divide 250 with 50. 50 5s are 250. The remainder is 0. Here we are getting the remainder is 0. So 250 equal to dividend equal to divisor 50 into quotient 5 plus remainder 0. We are getting the remainder 0. Means the process is completed until last we are getting remainder 0. So the process is completed. Now we can write the HCF of 550 comma 300 is equal to 50. The HCF of 550 and 300 equal to 50. Now we can solve the exercise first bit problems by using Euclid's algorithm.